Hello everyone, welcome to Wing Tarot. Today we are doing another pick a card reading for the messages related to your job and career. I'm keeping the time frame of 1 month since recently energy shift has happened. We will check how it will impact on the career life. As usual, there are three piles. This is pile number 1, pile number 2, and pile number 3. I'll do live shuffling this time and we will see what messages we are receiving for each group. Take your time to select a pile which you are most drawn to. Meditate if you need to. Stop the video if you need more time, and I'll catch you in the timestamp. Hi pile 1. Let's see what are the career messages which you are meant to receive at this point of time for the time frame of 1 month. I need two more cards. Let's shuffle again. Okay, let's see. So I don't feel it as reverse. Ace of Cups, the Magician, wow, Two of Pentacles, and Knight of Swords. Let's see. Immediately I'm getting a vibe that you have been offered a new opportunity within 1 month, because the Ace of Cups is all about emotional cleansing. There's a lot of emotional cleansing is happening due to energy shift. Take your time to understand what kind of vibe it is giving you. If suppose the work environment is not as per the way you want, or you are not getting a growth opportunity, or you would like to see yourself somewhere else, I mean some at some different position, or you want hike or you want promotion and you are not getting it, the work life balance is not there, because I can feel that due to Two of Pentacles, because you have to balance a lot. So in terms of that energy, if suppose you are getting a new opportunity within this month, then surely you should think about it, you should take it, go ahead, because Ace of Cups and immediately the Magician is the next card showing up, besides Ace of Cups. So the Magician is the card. Anything is possible, you can create whatever you want, because this infinite sign is showing that you have all the power, all the skill set to survive, to take this new opportunity, and to survive in the new work, new unseen environment, I would like to say, because it's like if suppose new opportunity is coming, we tend to fear what will happen next, or how, whether we will be able to manage that opportunity, or we will be able to work and get whatever we want to achieve in our career life. But yes, surely you should go ahead. The next card of Two of Pentacles, this card is showing that yes, you will balance everything. If suppose even if you are juggling right now for work life balance, you will be able to manage, you will be able to handle it in this new opportunity. The Knight of Sword is telling me the time frame that it is coming immediately, and I mean, it will just happen quickly. I mean, you won't even get time to think about this, and that's why this emotional cleansing is needed for you guys. Let's use one more deck to get the spiritual message. I'm using Rebecca Campbell's deck. Okay. The Void and I Remember. The Void is saying stop, embrace winter, great cosmic womb. And I remember this card is saying soul plan, the fated life versus the destiny life. It is telling that currently you are not doing so great in your career. You really need that change in your career, and your soul is really having a different plan for you, and that's why it is going to show you opportunity due to energy shift. Even if you think that uh, the things in future, you don't know about your future, you don't know how this opportunity will benefit you. If you think that okay, this the opportunity which has shown up, it's not that nice, or I don't know whether I'll get a bigger profit, or I'll get less amount of money. If you have that kind of confusion, just stop, think about this, and embrace uh, the void or the confusion, because your soul is guiding you, and soul has already shown you this, the magician card. So you will obviously uh, take a good path, you will be always on good path, and you can move ahead in your career, and be ready for it, because the knight of sword is showing that this opportunity will come to your life very quickly, and you might not get time to think about it. So yes guys, be prepared, the future looks better in terms of your job and career. I hope this reading will make sense for you guys. Thank you for coming, love you as always, and I'll catch you in my next reading. Bye for now. Hi pile 2, those who have selected this the light says tarot card deck. Let's see what are the messages you are receiving for your job and career. I'm picking 4 cards from this deck. Okay, it just flipped, but it did not come out. Okay. Okay, so you have received 5 cards. Let's see one by one. 2 of Cups, King of Swords. I'll adjust it in a minute. 4 of Swords, Temperance, and the Tower. Lot of things are happening, guys. The vibe I'm getting here, something wasn't right. something wasn't built on a good foundation, and that's why this tower moment has to happen in your life, so that it will destroy everything and you can build your career once again. You will find out the balance in your life, the way temperance is very calm, peaceful, and very matured, and yes, it can balance yin yang, both the energies, and then take the decision. The same way this tower card is saying that once everything is destroyed, just don't get sad or don't get scared. Now there is no career for me, or now there is nothing left for me. It's not like that. You need to think wisely, like temperance, like having a balanced mindset. So the tower card is giving me a vibe that if you lose your job due to this pandemic situation, don't get afraid that you won't be having anything for living. I can understand it can be a bad moment, but it is actually giving you the time for rest. It is actually giving you time to think about your career or job opportunity uh, which you can take ahead, or which you can think about, which you have previously not thought about. The King of Sword is again saying, the vibe I'm getting here, the King of Sword is watching all these moments happening in his life, and he is taking decision like, I'm kind of king. I can do my things by my own. I just need to show courage. That tower moment is actually an opportunity for you to build something for yourself instead of doing some 9 to 5 jobs in a company, and to actually build some kind of beneficial partnership, because two of cups talks about partnership, and it will flourish your life. So if you are really thinking of starting something of your own, if you really want to start your own business, then this is the right opportunity for you guys. That partnership is coming, that fund is coming, the new project is coming. You might meet some new people which will actually help you in this opportunity, and you might have not thought about it earlier, but once you rest, once your mind is calm, once you are balanced, then you can start thinking about what is right for you instead of just working in some shitty job. This is the message I am getting. Like, you're soon going to meet someone new in your life which will help you in your career, which will give you some new partnership, and you will be glad that whatever negative things happened in your life, that was of your own good. Now let's see some divine message from Rebecca Campbell Stake. I need two cards here. I remember, and big picture thinking. See, now the same thing, same message is confirmed by divine as well. The big picture thinking is you need to think big. You are not here to achieve some small goals and just to pay your bills. You have already done that in your past life. See, the soul is having a plan for you. And I remember this card is telling you that you are already having the ability to work for yourself instead of for someone or instead of for some another company. Better you think something big for yourself in your life. We all understand that okay, we need to pay bills, we need to buy food, clothes, and we need to pay our rent, and yes, we need money. But if suppose this tower moment is happening, that means everything has got destroyed. You may use the remaining fund for yourself to achieve some big results or some big profit. And you really don't need to worry because your soul has already been through this plan, and your divine force is already guiding you. To balance yourself, I would suggest you can start doing meditation or water manifestation therapy will also work here because water is also a source of life. I mean, there is a proven therapy that you when you talk to water, when you actually give positive affirmations to water, and when you drink that water, your body will also start feeling the positive affirmations, and you can soon start manifesting that affirmations in your life because there is lot of water energy I can see. It's the blue color. I mean, you need to cleanse your energy emotionally, and once you have taken enough rest, then you can start something big for yourself. The tower moment can it's not necessarily always that moment means you will lose your job or you will I mean something bad will happen in your life, but it can be a small tower moment, as in you were expecting some kind of promotion and you have not got it. You were frustrated, you were furious, you were disappointed with your boss, and finally you have decided that okay, it's not working for me. So that mindset can also be a moment for you to destroy um, your passion or your enthusiasm in your life, career life. So this is what I'm getting here. Pile number 2. Don't be afraid to meet new people. They will really bring you new opportunities in your life. Yeah, so this is what I'm getting for you, pile number 2. As I stop my reading here only, just let me know in the comment section if it resonates, and I'll catch you in my next reading. Bye for now. Hello, pile 3. If you have chosen the last pile, so this is some messages which you are meant to receive at this point of time related to your job and career. Let's see. Oh. Okay. The energy is not stable. Okay, you have already got 3 cards. I just need one more card. Okay. The situation here is you are not happy in your current career life. But the star card is showing angels are with you. You are surrounded by the angels and they are blessing you. The same way, Father of Swords is a determined energy. He is having very clear thinking. He knows what to do next. He is having clarity about what is good for him or what is bad for him. I mean, he can sense that energy. And Mother of Cups is all about caring energy, emotionally caring energy. So if you're having balance between these two energy, and if in career point you are not um, actually feeling happy, then yes, you need to think about the things which are going right in your career. It's okay if you are not there at that point where you were expected you to be, because due to pandemic many people have lost job, or some of them are not even getting a full salary. But if you are expecting some kind of hike and some hike in this year, and there was a pay cut due to pandemic, then also it is fine that at least some things are going right in your life. So you should feel grateful about the things which are actually giving you happiness. And the energy and the possibility of thinking clearly and actually surviving in such job situation. Hope it makes sense for you. Pile number 3. Let's take divine messages. What your divine energy wants to say on this. Okay, child of cosmos. And I remember. This card has come for all the 3 piles till now. The energy which I am getting, that yes, whatever soul has planned for you, and the road which you are currently taking, or the career path which on which you are currently going. Okay, I don't know why I can't speak, but the point is the soul is having some plan for you, but you are currently in on really different track, or in really different career field, and soul has literally figured out how your destiny life will look like. So since you're a child of the cosmos, that intelligence lies within you. See, the intelligence of the universe lies within you, so that's why you are having clarity of the thoughts. Even if you are even if you are sad, you know something is not right, but you know everything is not about unicorns and rainbows. I mean, yes, there are career turns in our life where even if we are having that deserving thing, we don't get it. But some things are surely going correct in your life, and when we feel grateful about the things which are going correctly in our life, then we tend to receive more of them. So this is how law of attraction works. So yes, once you believe in yourself, once you believe that okay, whatever soul has planned for me, I'm ready to take that road, and I'm ready to explore new opportunities or new things for myself instead of just looking at this miserable situation. I would like to think clearly. I would like to uh, heal myself emotionally. Then, yes, this intelligence will surely guide you in your career life. I hope this reading will make sense for you, pile number 3. Thank you for coming here, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye for now.